Welcome back to Guru Design Lab. I am Guru. Today we are modeling exercise 27 in SolidWorks. And this VH shaped component features a sloped 90-degree face and R20 tangent radius and two counterbored holes. You can see here the holes are created. We will start by extruding the main rectangular block outline, and we will use a sketch and extrude cut to create the angle slope, and finally we will use the hole wizard to precise place the counterboard. Let's open SolidWorks and get started. So first we need to close this exercise, and then we will start from a sketch. Go to new, select part, okay. Go to a sketch and select lines and take any plane like front plane. And create a dimension and create a sketch like this. Select OK. And then go to a smart dimension and measure it for 134 mm. And measure this for 19 mm. Sorry, it's not required. Measure this for 40 mm. Select this line and this line. Make this angle of 19 degree, and then you can see this not valid. It is already 19 mm. Go to features tab and select extrude boss base and extrude it up to 40 mm. For creating holes, select this face and sketch. Select this line, create some center line at this point. And select, and then we can create a circles of 12 mm dia at, at both points and make dimension 12 mm. And go to features tab, select extrude cut up to 40 mm. Select OK. And then after creating another hole, so first we select this face and go to sketch and create uh, two more circles at this point. Make the dimensions of 20 mm. Go to features tab and select extrude cut and cut it up to 29 mm. And we can apply chamfer here, sorry, fillet here. So then we go to fillet tab and select R20 mm fillet and select this point and then select OK and select this point and go to fillet tab and create a 4 mm fillet at here. You can see this exercise is complete now, and we can color it from edit appearance. Select OK. Select this face and go to edit appearance and select this color. Select OK, and then select this face and go to edit appearance and select other face, then select OK. You can see here this model is completely ready. And that completes exercise 27. By combining the base extrusion and 29-degree angled cut and the counterbore holes, we successfully finished the part. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Drop a comment below if you have any question about these sketch steps. Thanks for watching. I am Guru and this is Guru Design Lab, and I will see you in the next video. Keep designing. Thank you guys.